on the dryer. The customer's house was an elderly woman, and she wanted to stand and watch while I took apart the dryer. Tell her that I had to pull the drum out in order to get to the coils, because she exit the laundry room so I can have room to move. So as she stepped back, there's loose linoleum tile on the floor, and her house shoe caught the linoleum tile, and she fell, and she hit her head on the door and hit her back really hard on the floor. At that time, I put the drum down, and I rushed to her aid and asked her if she was okay. She was in shock.
Gil assessed the situation, took his first aid training that PSE&G provides into account.
I helped sit her up, and she, I continued to talk to her. Kopecky came in, he was doing a safety check.
Extremely grateful for Gil and his actions.
He comes in, and the whole, we're in the kitchen talking, and the family just saying they were grateful, that I was there to help her and also to help fix the dryer.
Gil is truly a hero. He went above and beyond his daily duties.
Turned out to be a good day for everybody.
We're very proud, and we'd like to express extreme gratitude. Thank you, Gil.